30 July 2023 we have Pietarinkatu, Peter Scotland 15th staircase A, and we'll go to the staircase B soon also. It's here in Ulanliina, Yrikasvuori. Helsinki has 4 schools in modernized Finland, and it has been built by groundbreakers in 1937, modernized by Kone in 1986 with MP8 fixtures. It's 1 year short of when they were 50 years old. The serial number is AF359. It turned 85 years old in 2022 and is going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. Demonstration turned 35 years old in 2021. Has big white, deeper white buttons. That's quite rare.
Yeah.
Interesting relay sounds. So maybe this was the beginning of 1986. It still sounds like relays from 1979 or 80.
Yeah.
So this is probably IA86.
Inspected by Kivaisputant, maintained by Espronis.
Yeah. No memory. Simple, but it's needless.
Yeah.
The alarm bell is the copper panel.
Yeah.
I can check it after you've taken the pictures.
Yeah.
I might check the other one downstairs.
That's